Welcome to this review and overview of RightCycle 1 options and stock swing trading system. This is a powerful new creation that allowed us to achieve what we wanted to achieve from swing trading, which is to capture all the best swings and to capture those missing swings that we weren't able to obtain through a traditional swing trading approach. And so therefore we put a few things together, had an inspiration spark, and RightCycle 1 is born. RightCycle 1 is extremely powerful. We are even debating whether to keep it on the market. So if you do see the opportunity to get it, knowing what I know about it, you should definitely look into getting it and studying it and putting it to use. This is a swing trading system. So when we look to swing trade in stocks and options, we look to use buy stop orders and contingent orders and options to coordinate with price triggers. What does that do? That means that allows us to not have to watch the markets all day, like back in the old days when we had fractions and options. And this allows us to simply place our order triggers and then let the markets trigger us in and trigger us out. And then we can capture momentum on options. We're going to teach you what type of options to play as well, because that's a question. You can play shorter term options. Yes, you can. Yep, you just need to know how to do that the right way. And then we'll talk about how to find the options sweet spot. You can use other strategies. You can sell options. You can use spreads as well. And so let's just get on to the performance. Okay, so I said stocks and options, but we also have this shown in Forex, so you can trade this with Forex and futures too. Okay, we should get that changed. Okay, so scroll down here to performance, and this performance is based on the system's results, which means it's accurate to the system entry and exit. That means it represents what you would be purchasing. So at the time of this sampling, you can see here we started June 2017, and we have reference down here that we take this to 1 year to August 2018, or a little bit over a year. So roughly a year and 2 months. And you can see here on Baidu, CAT, SPY, Hum, Humana, NVIDIA, okay, it's stock, and the GBP USD Forex pair. And in 1 year, you can see 4,000 pips, which is pretty good, especially in these slower days. And NVIDIA, 260 points, very good. Humana, 342 points, ridiculously good. SPY, extremely good. Caterpillar, I mean, that's pretty mind-blowing for Caterpillar to capture 184 points. And Baidu, that's extremely well. Now, who knows what's going to happen to Baidu in the future, but it doesn't matter. You just pop your favorite stock into the system and just let the system do its thing. I mean, I don't care if it's Ford, okay? And the system is extremely good. It uses certain strategies and fundamentals that not fundamentals as people talk about on TV, but fundamentals of price action that have been solid performers for us for a long time. But we found some new tweaks and new ways of combining a couple of these solid performers into a totally new system. And this system has evolved into something quite powerful and quite stable. So if you're looking for a way to trade for potentially an extremely good living, as I mentioned before, I would definitely look to get this system and put it to work immediately right? I can't promise you future returns, et cetera. See disclaimers, but this is a high probability system. Uh, and so, because it's just so sound and so proven for so long, and based on these proven methods that we've used for so long, that uh, it's a type of consistency that through price action and systems results has shown to us that this system has great potential long-term durability into the future, and frankly the marketplace just simply can't deny it, okay, unless we go into another universe, I would say. So all right, that's about it. If you're interested in this system, if you want a solution that can potentially get the job done right away, as in, hey, you're potentially retiring really soon, then you'll want to put this system to work, all right, and let it compound over time. But you do need to actually learn the system and make sure you're trading it right. But I don't think that will take very long. Yet there are always little mechanics here and there that you want to make sure you're doing. All right, but that's just part of any game of learning any system. So if you're interested in the system, you can contact us. If not, just come on over to RightCycleTrading.com. Go to the products section, and you can find the system. Otherwise, you can contact us from the site. All right. Thank you.